In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn any number into an exponent in Google Slides with just a few simple steps. Whether you're creating a presentation for a math class, a scientific project, or just want to enhance the visual appeal of your slides, learning how to format numbers as exponents can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Google Slides presentation and navigate to the slide where you'd like to format your number as an exponent. Now, click and drag your cursor over the specific digit or character that you want to highlight. It's important to select only the number, symbol or letter that you intend to format, as this ensures your presentation remains neat and clear. Once your chosen character is highlighted, it's time to access the formatting options. Look towards the top of your Google Slides window. Here you'll find the menu bar containing various options. Click on Format to unfold the drop-down menu, which offers a plethora of tools that allow you to customize your text. It's a quick selection, but quite powerful when it comes to modifying text styles. Now, as you hover over the Format menu, you'll see various options. Navigate your mouse to the Text option within this menu. Hovering over Text will prompt a sub-menu to appear. Here, Google Slides gives you additional text modification choices that can help bring your vision to life. Click on this Text sub-menu to proceed to the next step. Within this sub-menu, you're going to look for the Superscript option. Superscript is a feature that enables certain characters to be displayed smaller and slightly above the regular text line, making it perfect for mathematical notations like exponents. Go ahead and click on Superscript. With this simple action, the digit or character you previously highlighted will transform into an exponent right before your eyes. And voila, you've successfully formatted your number. If at any point you need to reverse this formatting or make adjustments, you can simply repeat these steps and click on Superscript again to toggle it off. This quick toggling feature is great for experimentation and ensuring you get just the right look for your presentation. Remember, mastering these formatting techniques can significantly elevate the quality of your slides. Whether for educational or professional purposes, precise formatting like this adds clarity and refinement, ensuring your audience can easily understand your content. So go ahead and explore the potential of Google Slides, knowing you now have the skills to incorporate exponents effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more insightful tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy presenting!